Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing part 2 of mixing in some slime, mixing some eyeshadow into slime. So here I have some pre-made homemade jiggly slime. That's like really nice, but I'm doing it for you guys. So yeah, so this is going to be the next one. It's like a base, a contour, and a definer. So we're just gonna separate this into two. So I'm gonna use a little bit because this is a little bit too. We don't really need to change the base, so yeah. So this is gonna be the two. 1 and 2. So 2 contour, 3 definer. So let's start with the definer. So got a fork again, zoom in, and time to just okay. So this is a purple, but it looks pink on camera. So there you go. Purple slime from a contour. Satisfaction. Tell me if this is satisfying to you guys, because it's just fun to do. Backwards poking. Right, so there we go. Got our first slime down. Now time to do our second slime. Ooh. No. Time. Okay, this is spread everywhere. Time to do the definer. It's the one right there. So let's like put to the side, zoom in, and right there. Kind of good view. And 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Diap, 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 diap. Oh. I think I got all of it. I'm not sure. Okay, got all the edges, I'm pretty sure. Now time to dump it. Actually, no. Let's leave it to the side. Get the slime and mix this one a little bit. And yeah, just like do this. And then it's good. Okay. 3, 2, 1, boom. And it looks like there's a little bit extra. Extra. It's beginning to look. Why am I saying that? It's over Christmas. And it's becoming brown. Actually, guys, just for you guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of I'm gonna add the base because this is just kind of black. So even though the base is not gonna do anything, it's just fun to it's not fun to destroy. It's just cool to look at. Kind of satisfying to break, but just sad. So there we go. Let's do that. And this. And there we go. It's a giant pallet. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. 3, 2. Oh. Okay. Well, that's broken. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a lot. And that's what we got. Very sad. Alright. Time to put the little slime, black slime, And actually I kind of like it, so let's get a different slime. And, oh, what the heck? And I can, okay. So right now, let me zoom out a little and then get a little more. So, go. Okay, let's add it. Whoa. All yours. Okay, it's cleaned up. Pretty well cleaned up, I guess. So, voila. Whoa. It's like maybe too far. Okay. So this time it didn't get as messy as last time for some reason. So yeah. Whoa. It's like, I don't know. Okay. So there we go. Looks kind of the same. And also I wanted to show you this. So you see this, right? So with the rest of this stuff, this from last video, that one. And this is from this video. And then this one we just made. And then that's just a random cap. And this is the paper one. And then this was from the last video, because I'm like making a bottle. So now let's continue the bottle. Wow. Okay. Horrible videotaping, sorry. And let's do the black one next. Whoa, this is gonna overflow. This will take at least like 5 days to dry because this is jiggly slime, so it's gonna take forever. And don't want to mess this part up. Oh, sorry. Don't want to mess this part up because, yeah. And just go like this. So let me stand up because it's more comfortable. And that's what it's gonna look like. I mean, no, that's not what it's gonna look like. I mean, from the back, yeah, it's gonna look like. And then this is what's gonna look like. Ooh, it's heavy. From the front. Whoa, it's actually really cool. So that's what it looks like. You guys got to see it. And that will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.